Hello everyone, hello everyone. Welcome to our last cat show of 2022. It's been a long road, it's been a journey, it's been exciting, it's been the worst. Gorgeous, stunning year for beautiful cats. Tragic year for busted and ugly cats. Anyways, we're excited to be here. Today we're going to judge the best of the best. Yes, exactly. Throughout the year, many cats have competed to be at the top of their category, to be the best of their division, if you will. And today those cats are here. They have won their division. They have proved to themselves to be the best of their category, division, other various synonyms. And those categories are: 1, the fluffy idiots category. Cannot wait to see it. Can't wait to judge it. Next up, we have the previously busted category. As I said, horrible year for busted cats. So we're going to judge those who were, previously busted. The next category is taxidermy and or bones cats. Sorry, some of our contestants seem to be playing. You don't have to be alive to enter this competition. Yeah, a lot of people think that. You don't have to be. You don't have to be. That's one thing you don't have to be. So today, here at our final cat show of 2022, we will be, picking out the best of the best. What's the prize? Incredible, scrumptious question. Today we have these freaky little teeth coasters. They have teeth inside of them. I love them. You want them. I am potroastmom. I will be kind of, for lack of a better word, the one and only judge. I reign supreme over this cat show and kind of all cat shows forever. Does anyone have any questions before we start up? Come on, I know we got some newbies. No questions? No questions? Is this typical attire for someone judging a cat show? Great question. Any other questions? Any other questions? All right, let's get started. Today for our Fluffy Idiots category, we have Coupon. Coupon, previously named Popcorn, cat to the stars, as it were. Coupon is the best of the Fluffy Idiots. Today we will be judging her. Very heavy, very heavy. We love to see that in a Fluffy Idiot. We love that, we love that. Coupon is pretty fast. Athletic feel, strong muscular body. Can we get that jump played slow-mo replay? Whatever they do in sports. Once again, fabulous eye color, good strength of chin. Overall, one of the best Fluffy Idiots, the Rolls Royce of idiots, if you will. And let's all kind of give Coupon a round of applause. Yeah, stunning, yeah. Okay, our next little lady is ready. We'll be jumping into our taxidermy category. And you're thinking, is that a normal category for a cat show? And to that I say, good question. Anyways, this little lady was judged the best of the best taxidermy. I mean, the whiskers, the ear placement and size, stunning. Density of coat, size of paws, weird reactions, great size and substance, and yet still refined. Gentle slope of profile. I mean, you can't buy these things. Well, you can, and they did. More hairs per square inch on this breed than any other, and kind of stickiest, most tangled hair. Look at this. I mean, look at this gorgeously humped back. I mean, stunning. Look at this short, dense tail. And of course, obviously, I mean, the comedic timing on her. Impeccable. I mean, you cannot buy this kind of thing, but they can, and they did. And if you're thinking, how is this little lady moving around? How is she? Is it batteries? No, it's weird and scary magic. Exactly. Exactly. We're not going to get into it any further. And I know you probably have questions about the taxidermy. I will not be answering any of them. Pew, 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 pew. Wow, 2 categories down. I'm having so much fun. Are you having fun, everyone? Can we get a round of applause for potroast? Potroast. Absolutely incredible, exquisite piece of taxidermy. Yeah. Yeah. Let's take a little break. You know, as entertainment for intermission, or you know, other various synonyms for a break, I will be scratching your brain. You need it, you want it, you live and you laugh and you love it. Anyways, ready? 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 I know, I have an incredibly realistic purr. Thank you. Took years to perfect. Okay, intermission will be a little bit longer. Maybe go get a snack. Use the restroom if you kind of do that sort of thing. There are soft pretzels. There are. I know that is important to a lot of us, me included. And we're going to dive right into the previously busted category with this incredible looking little lady. Here today we have Fawcett. Fawcett, who kind of used to be respectfully busted. Large, perfectly placed ear, nice low back, nice heavy leg. We also see this kind of curl pattern on the stomach, on the armpits. That's rare. That's rare, and that's beautiful, and that's gorgeous, and you can't buy that kind of curl pattern. And I'm serious about that one this time. You really can't buy that. Did Fawcett look a little bit better when she was busted? Yes. But you know what they say, God taketh away. So I think we can all appreciate a duckling story, right? Became the swan. Can we get a round of applause for Fawcett? Yeah. I agree. One thing about Fawcett I should add, Fawcett yells constantly. And you're thinking, is that good or is that bad to a cat show judge such as myself? And to that I say, great question. And we will be moving now into a very special seasonal category, best of Christmas cats. That's right. I know we're gonna have a little seasonal fun. And with us today, as she was voted best of the Christmas cats, is, you guessed it, Bone Roast. Yes, a very special lady. Like I said before, you don't have to be alive to enter this competition. And that's actually the end of the sentence. What I like about Bone Roast, interesting head placement. You don't see that a lot. And we have these strong ears. Bone Roast has these stunning distance between the eyes. Strong teeth, long tail, perfectly in proportion. Claws. She also provides some truly stunning ASMR, and that cannot be stressed enough, the importance of that. One of the best things about Bone Roast contestants getting absolutely wild backstage, she does eat negativity. She does. Can we get a round of applause for scarfing down negativity? And she's going to do a live demonstration. She is, and we're extremely lucky to witness that, to be, for lack of a better word, a part of it. Are you ready? I know you're ready. You got your negativity? Bone Roast, are you ready to feast? look at the contestants are hissing at each other. That's so fun. What an interesting noise I just made. Let's get one from right over here. Thank you, Bone Roast. Yeah, let's give her yet another round of applause. Best of Christmas cats. I also don't want to forget about Bone Roast, the importance, the stunning factor of this kind of glowing coat. You don't see that a lot, and you know, you don't see that ever, and we're very lucky to see it here today. We are. All right, everyone, if we want to take another short intermission, I will be deciding on who will be the best in show. Who is the best of the best for the year of our Lord 2022? While I'm thinking, while I'm judging in my mind palace, shall we scratch your brain? Should we do that? Yeah. One of the contestants is going to bump into the... You know, behavior will be factored in to my decision. They don't care. I don't even think they speak English, but... Okay, everyone, we're back. We had so much fun. And, you know, kind of before I dive into my judgments, my first, second, and third, there is no fourth place. I just decided on that right now. Let's kind of give a round of applause for everyone who was here, for all the kitties and the other entities that looked like kitties but just weren't, you know? What a gorgeous, gorgeous day. What a stunning, also I look incredible. And if you guys want to clap for that, that's fine. Without further ado, today in third place, we have Coupon. We do. From our fluffy idiots category to our third place, stunning. The density of the coat, the terribleness of the personality. I love a terrible personality. I have one. Let's give, no, we're done clapping. I love you and you deserve third place. I cannot find Fawcett, and therefore second place will go to Bone Roast. Yes, yes. Bone Roast has this wonderful, wonderful, sweet expression. I've talked about the importance of such strong ears. The head placement should not be overlooked now or ever. And she really brings the holiday spirit. I'm sure you can see why she won Best of Christmas Cats and why she here today, for lack of a better word, won second place. I don't want to clap, but we can do this. Bone Roast, you're killing it, girl. And before I announce first place, can I just say how exciting it was to be here with you all today. I had a wonderful time, and I look forward to the cat shows that we will have in the year 2023, which is kind of coming up next. This is kind of the next one, kind of in a few weeks even. Oh, I found Fawcett. Anyways, first place, are we ready? Drum roll. I don't really know how to make that noise. It's potroast. Stunning, stunning, stunning baby angel. The yellow paws. Incredible. Where else are you seeing that? On other dirty cats? No, you're not. Maybe you are. The loudness of the purr. Such interesting ear placement. The eye color, the eye placement, the nose. The overall filth level is yeah, scrumptious, to put it lightly. Potroast just encompasses the year of 2022, and as I've said, it was a horrible, horrible year for ugly cats, and so yeah, we love to see her winning. We love to see, you know, the underdog kind of winning it all. Am I right, Bone Roast? Like I said, the comedic timing, unparalleled, unparalleled. Anyways, thank you for joining us. Get a soft pretzel on your way out. Love you. See you next year.